Welcome in Al platform for everything related to construction work. Today we want to talk about the staircase designs. Staircase designs can be done for many types of staircases like concrete staircases, which is usual and it will be like used in buildings, in malls and something else. And that one it will be like cladded with marble as usual, or granite, or porcelain sometimes. But for the villas, we are preferring to use for the contemporary design that see let's say here. We are preferring to use the steel structure, because it's giving more flexibility for design for the clients. And like here for this staircase we use a floating steel structure, then we clad it with veneer. And here also steel structure and it's cladded with marble. Also this one is was steel structure cladded with marble. So we can make many designs, and it was flexible more to make these designs for the clients. For example, for the staircase, we have make the staircase with made the staircase with the steel structure. It's painted with epoxy paint, as we say here, for waterproofing, and we hang it in the concrete from each side to be floating from other side also. Then we make the marble as a mold. As we can see here, we clad it and we put nice light in the bottom of each steps. And for the next, between each step we use stainless steel cover. For this staircase, as we say, it's like steel structure floating separately each steps, and we clad it with veneer. And that veneer is it was in MDF. Then we put light underneath. And for the handle of the staircase, there is many choices. For this stair, we use the cables, which is we hang in from the top, and it's penetrate through each steps, which is giving nice view. And it was under the desire of the owner of the villa, and it can be painted with a different color. Sometimes we can use another kind of handles, like the glass handles, rods, and many other types of handles. For this steel staircase, the steel staircase is completely, it's like one item here. It's the flight with the steps already fabricated outside, and it's brought to the villa and we installed in the villa. Then the client has choosing to clad it with marble, Volacas marble specifically. So we make the marble Volacas in the factory of the marble. We already make full mold, and we treat the edge with the glue to make it very stable and very strong, and to give the final shape of the steps. So all will be ready in the factory and polished, and we get it one time and we install it then directly to each steps in the staircase. So you can see, like, all it was cast for 45 degrees. Then after that we treat it with glue. Then we install one sample in the villa, and the client like what he saw. So we take the exact measurement in the site, then we proceeded to complete all steps with the same. Again, we need to make cladding for the staircase in the bottom for the steel structure because it was not looking good. So we decided to use aluminium with 3 color. We show it to the client. He preferred then to use the light gray one. So we brought that one, and to keep the same look of the steps and to keep like the same visibility that shown the spaces between the steps. So also we decided to clad this bolt area as we saw here, and again we open the aluminium sheets, we bend it inside, to give the same flight or floating feeling to the steps and make it more luxury in the meanwhile with contemporary design. So we cut it like that and then we bend it, and that's all done in the site. So we brought the sheets and we cut it to size, then we bend it on site. When we finish one mock-up and the client he was like it, then we need to make the handrail for the steel staircase. He preferred to have glass handrail with PVC top rail, as we will see now. So to fix this glass, we have to drill through each steps with special tools, and we have to hang it on the steel structure, not on the marble. Nothing should be fixed on the marble because it cannot handle the load. In the bottom, we have to cut the bottom marble to put the also glass for that staircase. For this staircase here is a usual staircase, normal in concrete. Just we decided to make the panel, instead of having normal panel, we put steel U-channel following the steps, which is giving more luxury look. Here another kind of steps with anti-step golden color. And for the external also it can be cladded with marble, granite, porcelain, and we put like on each side the glass rail. Here we have another kind of floating, separate each step is floating by itself as we saw. Then we clad it with box of wood cladded with veneer, and there is light also installed under each one. Then we put glass for the handrail. We hang it again on the steel structure, not on the steps. Another kind of steps, staircases for external, as we can saw here. And here just to show that we are always protecting our material during the construction to avoid any damages to the final product. So as we can see that there is different kind of material can be used for staircases in the villas. It's based on the client preferable, but finally mostly we are using the steel structure because it's more flexible to give the client whatever he wants, and we prefer to have always light to give luxury look for the steel staircase. Thank you for watching and looking forward to see you very soon in a new video.